In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Zoho Invoice. Whether you're working with international clients or simply need to update your billing preferences, adjusting your currency settings is an important step. The good news is, it's quite straightforward once you know where to look. First, begin by logging into your Zoho Books account using your usual credentials. Once you're inside, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your financial activities. This is where you manage everything from invoices to expenses, so it's important to know your way around. Look towards the top corner of the page and click on the settings icon. This is where you'll find the different configurations that allow you to tailor your account to your specific needs. What you're looking for is located in the Organization section. Once inside this tab, select Profile. The Profile page is crucial as it houses your business's key information such as contact details, company name, and other operational settings. It's important that everything here is accurate because these details directly affect how your invoices will appear to clients. So, taking a moment to review this information can be quite beneficial. Now scroll down to the section labeled Setup and Configurations. From the drop-down menu here, choose Currencies. This section allows you to manage your default currency as well as any alternate currencies you might need. It's a useful feature, especially for businesses dealing with multiple countries, as it helps streamline your financial operations. If you want to make any updates, click on Edit. If you only need to adjust or add a secondary currency, this can be done here. However, if your requirement is to change the base currency, the primary one your business operates with, click on Change Base Currency. Zoho provides a comprehensive list of available currencies, so simply select the one you wish to switch to from this list. After you've made your selection, ensure you click Save. It's crucial to remember that your changes won't be applied until you hit that Save button. Changing the base currency can impact other parts of your Zoho Books setup. Therefore, it's always a wise decision to double-check your reports and invoice templates after the update to ensure that everything is aligned correctly. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your organization's currency settings, ensuring that your invoicing process is clear and accurate, no matter where your clients are based. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward Zoho tutorials and helpful business tips.